I am going to unboxing a Bluetooth device. Bluetooth device, it's helpful in your home theater, in your car where aux is available, because by the help of that you can convert your aux cable into Bluetooth device. So you know where I got that device from? I am from God. God, please give me that device. Thank you, God. So there is a device. So let's unbox that. There is another box in the box. So I'm also cut it down. Very tiny Bluetooth device. That is the main device which I use. So in that Bluetooth I connect this portion to USB, and from there I will connect the aux, and if the aux is not there available at that device, so I will connect by the help of them. One port into that and another port where is the device aux. So let's connect them and let's see what happens. Friends, now I am using that Bluetooth in our car, and let's see how to work from that. That's my car electricated. But there is only issue in that car, there is no Bluetooth, there is aux and USBs available. So that's why I bought that. So let's check it out how it works. So friends, now I am connected that. It's very easy to connect. First of all, connect the aux cable into Bluetooth. After that, open USB port, and then connect it USB into USB port and aux into aux port.
Mode.
It's connected. Now go to your phone, connect that Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connected successfully.
It's now connected. I can also control the volume by phone keys. Now I am showing that I am connecting the Bluetooth to my home theater and how it's very easy to connect. In my home theater there is a USB port, but it is broken by myself. You can see that it is broke, so that's why I am using a third party adapter, which means I connect through that, and that's my home theater of cable. I connect into that. After that, give it some power. It will connect that, and it can also be work with. It's working great.
It's the first time of today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need.
Friends, I got that product from PAYTMMALL, and in which you can buy it also from there. And if you buy it from there, there is offers going on. The offer is that if you apply promo code with once a month, and if you buy any product with more than 299 rupees, you will get cashback of 200 rupees. So I also use that promo code. After that, the effective price of this product is 76 rupees. I just pay 20 rupees to them. I also bought another products which I will show you in my upcoming videos. So after that, spending 220 rupees, I will get cashback, and the effective price of this Bluetooth is 76 rupees. So you can also buy it from any other products from PAYTMMALL. It's a very good promo code. Is still going on. And if you like my video, like and comment down below if you have any kind of query, and please give me feedback in future which kind of unboxing and videos you want in future. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Peace.